name's Heather Solos. I wrote Home Ec 101, and today I'm answering a question I get a lot. Can I wash my clothes on cold? Well, it depends. Where do you live, and how cold is your cold? Here in South Carolina, our cold's actually kind of warm. In Minnesota, their cold is really cold. So, we gotta figure out what the baseline is, right? And it also depends on how hard is your water or how soft is your water. What does that even mean, right? Well, hard water has a lot of minerals in it. Minerals like calcium and lime, things like that. If you have hard water, then your detergent gets used up by those minerals. And it doesn't have enough detergent left to take the dirt off your clothes. So, if you need to know if you have hard water and you live in the US, call your county's extension office, ask them. They know. That's their job. They're a free service for you. Use them. All right. When you're cleaning your clothes, you're using 3 kinds of energy: physical, thermal, and chemical. Physical is the agitation. That's whether you choose the gentle cycle or the heavy duty cycle. Makes sense. That moves the water through your clothes, shaking the dirt off. The chemical energy is supplied by your detergent. How does that work? Well, there's a few things in detergent that aren't actually participating in cleaning the clothes directly. We're not going to worry about those right now. All we're going to talk about is the detergent molecule itself, right? The detergent molecule is kind of a chain, and picture this like a chain, all right? On one end, we've got an end that absolutely loves the water. That's the hydrophilic end. On the other end, it's hydrophobic. It hates the water, doesn't want to be anywhere near the water. So it's going to latch onto a greasy, oily particle on your clothes, like it's on my shirt. And the greasy, oily particle is going to get surrounded by these detergent chains. And they're going to pull it off the clothing and bring it into solution, the water, where it'll get rinsed down the drain. That's all detergent does. It's not magic. But you can't just add more detergent to the water because there's a limit to how much stuff can be put into water. At some point, the detergent will just leave a film on your clothes or your towels. That's why sometimes they get really smelly, because detergent leaves a sticky residue and odors cling to it. Make sense? So now we're on to thermal, the last one. How does that play a role? Well, I want you to picture water molecules. When your water is cold, those water molecules are kind of close together. They're not really doing a whole lot. But as they get warmer, they move around, they're moving faster. The faster they move, the further apart they are, the more room there is for those oily particles, the detergent molecules, and everything else to be in solution. When everything's in solution, it's easier for them to rinse down the drain. That is why you don't wash all your clothes on cold, unless your cold isn't actually cold. I hope that helps. Hope to see you soon.